The TBlock supports your saw's bumper and allows it to adjust up and down. The metal T-block has indents cast in it for the bumper's latch to lock into. The T-block can be cracked if the saw is dropped. The indents can wear over time, causing the bumper to slip out of adjustment. Replacing the T-block is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear guard. With the guard removed, I have access to both of the screws on the rear roller. I'll remove it next. And with the roller removed, now I can remove the bumper. With the bumper removed, I have access to the screws that secure the T-block. I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I can install the new T-block. There's a pin on the back of the T-block that aligns it with the housing. Once in place, I'll secure it with the screws. Now I can reinstall the bumper. I'll press the button on the bumper and align it with the T-block. Then I just slide it back into place. Now I'll reinstall the rear roller. There's a pin on the back of the roller assembly that will align it with the housing. Once it's aligned, I'll reinstall the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear guard. And that's all it takes to replace the T-block on your portable bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.